Tonight, the Tampa Bay Lightning begin their quest to bring the Stanley Cup home to the Bay Area for a second time. The Bolts open the season tonight at Amalie Arena against the Detroit Red Wings. Expectations are high for the Lightning after re-signing a number of their stars to long-term deals in the offseason, including captain Steven Stamkos and defenseman Victor Hedman.
The last couple of years have been really successful, but they haven't been what we wanted. The ultimate prize is to raise the Stanley Cup. So do we have a window? Yes, but you make your own window. And whether the expectations are there or not, our goal is to win the